What's up, y'all? It's like 6 in the morning right now. The homies are about to pull up and we're gonna have ourselves a little adventure. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Hopefully I will be doing more of these vlogs and just yapping to the camera. I wanna post at least one YouTube video a week. So that's the goal right now. Hopefully some of y'all can keep me accountable. But I hope you enjoy. I'll catch y'all later. Peace. Velcro to the turf.
Yeah.
Just ripping shit. Whose shirt, bro? It says no Diddy on it. Precious Moondog. Weirdos doing it. Is this anybody's is this anybody's shirt that says no Diddy?
Yeah, that's
Is he?
Wait, did you see the
Yeah, I'm Diddy's #1 disciple. The shirt's just a prank.
This is so stupid, bro.
The one's in on
You got like the one like in your mouth.
back in the room?
Back in the paddock room. It's where I belong.
it. Like,
Feels like home. Connect to the speaker. My phone's dead. My phone's dead.
all over my face.
The bestest of times. I think I would.
Wow, go play with friends.
Lead the way, girl.
You the boss. She know where she going.
Make that noise again.
Woo!
I don't know. It's in the moment.
Want tangerine for your rib? I don't trust the person who denies a tangerine. It's cozy in here. I like that steering wheel.
Whoa.
Yeah, let's do that. I almost have to jump in now.
Come on. Luna, come on. Go, Luna, go. Luna, go, Luna, jump. Luna, come here, help. Luna, Luna, hey, help me. The steps are right here, girl. Over here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on, Luna. Yeah. Come here, Luna.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. That feels so good. What is this?
I don't
Cowboy
know.
hot sauce.
Yeah, I guess so.
Why does bigger wiener dogs are?
Yeah.
Homie's got a husky wiener dog mix.
What is love?
You just little fucker. You want some shade? You want to bring the shade?
What's the beach like that we're going to? Is it like, is there coverage at all, or is it like out in the sand, or like are we in the trees or anything?
I don't understand. No coverage.
Cocoa Beach, Florida, good old Florida town.
Good old Florida towns, baby. Go to the burger! Oh, oh, hey, stinky leg, stinky leg. Oh, I got it. Know that shit hot, boy. I'm not going in the water. Oh, beach girl, beach girl.
Good luck,
Hi, Luna. You want to say hi to Lucky? Give me a kiss. That's Luna. Yeah, he grew up with dogs. I know, Luna. So pretty. Want to smell his butt? So pretty. Give me a kiss. So pretty. You're so pretty. Not too many dogs that like that voice. And I know you. I know you're just a
the
beauty.
best one.
You're just a beauty. Yeah, his Roddy passed away. So 5 dogs. That was last year. So now, no more dogs. We're just trying. I know. He rode on my dog's back for 16 years. I know, right? Right? I know. It's crazy. It's crazy.
What an awesome bird.
What is your name? I've totally seen you before.
Yeah, I've been since the 70s. I've been surfing this break.
Yeah.
And I just met the dude. He goes, "You want to park here?" I go, "Yeah." My house is a satellite. My beach is this big, and we have rocks. So this is like since the boat races, body surfing.
Yeah, we were just here last time for the boat races.
Oh, it's epic. So
Yeah,
now I just
so
park there,
sick.
and I'm like, camp's like right over there. It's great.
Hell yeah,
I
man.
go put it away because he don't like that.
Yeah.
Does he
Can
talk?
I pet
Yeah,
him?
he talks.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, he talks like a machine.
Oh my god!
You are beautiful.
Lucky, you so
Show him, show him,
handsome.
show him. Oh, just show him.
Let's see it.
Show him.
Oh.
So pretty. He's like the prettiest boy. He's like the prettiest boy. Hold him, bro. You throw footballs with him.
Yeah, what a guy, dude.
Look at you, beautiful boy. Howdy, partner.
40 years.
40 years.
Howdy, partner.
Oh, you old man.
Beautiful boy.
He's got four.
Handsome
I'll
though.
be dead. I'll still be dead right here.
He's with you.
Keep on ripping.
Good one. Be safe. Just like that.
Just like that, going with the
Just
wind.
like that.
Yo.